What happens if you consume excessive amount of steroids? Do they convert you muscular within one day? How do you become muscular after taking it? Do they really kill people? But why do we need steroids and why it is used in medicine? Well, don't worry. Here is what happens, and you will be going to know what happens if you take a large amount of steroids. Before knowing what happens if you consume excessive amount of steroids, we have to know what are steroids. Steroids in simple words are known as chemical or a hormone. But the question is how steroids are produced. Some types of steroids are made by humans. This type of human-made steroids are called anabolic steroids, which are also known as AAS. And other types of steroids are steroid hormones. They act as a hormone in our body. These steroid hormones are made of cholesterol in our adrenal glands. Cholesterol is a plentiful steroid in an animal cell. Examples of steroid hormones are estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, vitamin D3. An example of human-made steroids is prednisone, which is used to treat inflammation. Steroids are not only present in human body, these are also present in fungi, plants, and animals. Though steroids are dangerous, these are used in medical uses. Steroids are mainly used for medical purpose. Steroids are used in treatment of kidney failure, leukemia means cancer of white blood cells, and aplastic anemia. Aplastic anemia is a rare disease in which bone marrow stops producing enough blood cells. Steroids are also used to treat children who are facing growth problems. Some steroids are used to treat cancer and AIDS. Androgens, a type of steroids, are given to many boys distressed about extremely delay of puberty, and they are also used to treat osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a weakening of bones in women, but this treatment has a main side effect. That is, women who took this treatment look more like a male, and they are also used for treating breast cancer in women. After having these many advantages, why people are killed by steroids? Apart from side effects, there are not many disadvantages in using steroids, but overusing of steroids is harmful. Like certain anabolic steroids such as testosterone are used to make muscles stronger. Athletes in early 21st century overuse steroids to increase their muscle strength, but extreme usage of steroids can cripple off or kill you. This is the main reason why males contain muscular body. Males have hormone called testosterone, which is responsible for muscular body. When we take steroids, especially anabolic steroids, stimulate muscles, tissues to grow and bulk up in response to training by mimicking the effects of naturally produced testosterone on the body. Anabolic steroids can remain in the body anywhere from a couple of days to about a year. Steroids have become popular because they improve endurance, strength, and muscle mass. However, researchers have not shown that steroids improve skill, agility, or athletic.